Can you see I'm smiling under my mask? Did you know that soccer is the #1 most popular sport in the world? So I want to make sure that all my students know some of the basic skills to play at a soccer game. And 2 of those skills we practiced today with the 4th and 5th graders were just passing to somebody nearby with the inside of our foot, and also kicking the ball up the field by pointing our toe down and lifting the ball up in the air. Both of those skills require a certain type of movement. It's when you push off with one leg and you reach and land on the other. You see, we take a big step before we kick a soccer ball, foot beside the ball, and that is winding up the leg that's pushing. I reach this foot beside, and that foot kicks the ball. Now, since my teammate is close by, I use the inside of my foot. If I wanted the ball to go a lot further, I would point my toe down under the ball, and I would need a much bigger leap, so I could wind my leg up for a lot bigger kick. So we say one leg is pushing off and the other leg is reaching and landing where we want it to land. In the case of soccer ball, we land it up there somewhere beside the soccer ball. If we want it to go up way up the field, we might land it back here a little bit further so we can get the ball to go up in the air. I don't need to kick it too hard, they're close by, so I get a little leap and just pass it the inside of the foot. But if I want to kick it way up the field, of course I don't want to trap it and back up in order to leap. What I'll do is I will tap the ball forward, and as I'm moving forward, I'll take a big step, I'll leap and kick the ball way up the field. So that is how we use a leap when kicking a soccer ball. Actually a little out of breath. I was practicing my juggling. Juggling is something I enjoy doing to be active. It's a challenge to try to bounce it off of my legs in different ways, bounce it off my feet.